Hi, Greg Armstrong with Moonwalker Cleaning. Another training video. This is setting up our towels for the day for the guys. We do 2 days worth, and our load sheet's going to be set up 50 of the glass towels and then 20 of the microfiber towels. 2 big towels for laying on the floor for when we're cleaning windows, and also for carpet cleaning and tile and grout cleaning for wiping up the floors. Check it out. So this is what we had left over from the day, and I just dried the towels from this past day, and I'm getting ready to fold them, put them in there. And what I got, this is set up for our other truck, and what it is we have 2 buckets that we use, one for the water, one to put the dirty towels in, and then one to clean. And as you can see, we got the 2 towels. We also have, make sure we have at least 2 to 3 of our wand covers, and then, like I said, 50 of the glass towels, and then 20 of the microfiber folded up. So I'm going to fold that up, and I'll show you how it goes in. All right, and then as you can see, we got 50 of the glass towels going in. So this is going to be our load sheet for towels. So 50 of the glass, 20 of the microfibers, and put them single file just like that. So you got 2 rows of the glass, 1 row of the microfiber. Got 2 of the big towels, 2 of the strip wands, okay. And then I forgot to mention, we also have 2 white towels for when we have red stains or any type of deep stain that we're trying to get out. Put hot water on it and put it on top of the carpet as the chemical is applied. And that's it. So it'll take it out, and we have this ready. This is actually Tuesday's load. Today is Saturday. So Monday is already in the truck with the 2 other empty towels, or 2 empty buckets, I should say. So we have that ready to go. Okay, so we're all set.